My name is Ren, and this is my son Spencer, who is 7, and he's in 1st grade. Today, the two of us are going to teach you how to play CountFast 6, plus or minus, using the numbers 1 through 5. So this game is geared for kindergarten and 1st grade, sometimes 2nd grade as well. In every deck, of course, we have our math focus card, which teaches you the concept of the game, and we have an instruction card. So the concept of this game, CountFast 6, plus or minus, is to teach kids how to think about numbers in a little bit different way. So in some of our other card decks, we're building equations and adding up and subtracting back. In this game, we're doing that. However, we're giving the kids the answer first. So with every card, you can see there's 4 numbers. And the object of the game is to use these 4 numbers to make the number 6. So the kids already know the answer should be 6. But they have to use every number only one time, and they can use addition or subtraction within these numbers to create the number 6. So it's just a little bit different way of thinking about numbers, which is really cool, so that they really are building on their math skills in their head. So we'll show you how this works. There's different colors, of course, 5 different colors. That all the cards are just a little bit more challenging. So we'll start and we can kind of demonstrate so this makes more sense.
Yeah.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let's do this card. Let's show the camera. What numbers do we have?
1, 2, 2, and 5.
Okay, so using addition and subtraction, how do you think we can make the number 6?
So 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 5 plus 1 is 6.
Very good. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 plus 5 is 6. You want to do another one? Okay. Let's try one of the blue ones. How about that? Okay.
1 card of each deck.
Okay. So what numbers do we have here?
2, 2, 3, and 5.
Very good. So can you figure out how to make 6?
See here.
Can you think about it? Remember, you can use plus and minus.
Yep. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Add that 4 to the 2 you had, and then you have 6.
Very good. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 4 plus that 2 would be 6. Very good, Spencer. So as you can see, it's easy, but it's still a little bit challenging where you really have to think about how to create these numbers. It's a really good learning skill because it is a little bit more abstract than just a simple equation. It really forces them to think about, okay, what do I need to do and how do I need to use plus and minus? Not all cards need plus and minus. Some are just addition, some may just be subtraction. And the other cool thing is a lot of these cards, there are multiple ways to get the answer. So even though he may come up with one way, there may be another way. So a lot of times that gives you another talking point with your children, like what other way can we come up with 6? And they may need a little bit of help, but it creates a good learning opportunity. So we like to play this game, right?
Yeah.
And it's also really easy to play and not very time consuming. So when I'm making dinner and he's sitting at the counter while I prep for dinner, he can throw a card out there and we can easily play it while I'm multitasking. So that just makes parents' lives a little bit easier every day.